Welcome, explorers. Today, you're stepping into a project where you choose the story and the numbers help you tell it. You and one or two partners will dive into a topic you care about and uncover what the data reveals. This is your chance to analyze real-world information using CODAP or Desmos and your own curiosity. Here's your mission, step by step. First, choose a question you want to explore. It might come from your life, your interests, or one of our project options. Then, collect your own data, or use a real data set. Once you have it, bring the numbers to life by creating graphs in CODAP or Desmos. Think dot plots, histograms, box plots, whatever helps show the story behind your data. After that, you'll describe and compare what you see. Look for the shape of the distribution, the center, the spread, and any outliers that may be bending the story. Next, choose the right statistical tools: mean, median, range, IQR, standard deviation. Match the measure to the shape of your data. And finally, explain what your results mean in the real world. Your end product can be a short piece of writing or a quick presentation. Clarity beats length every time. You'll also be walking through the full data cycle, the rhythm all statisticians dance to. Ask questions, choose a topic, and write a statistical question, one whose answer isn't a single fact, but requires collecting data that varies. Consider data, collect it, clean it, and organize it so it's trustworthy. Analyze data, graph it, summarize it, let patterns rise to the surface. Interpret data. Tell us what those patterns mean. What story is your graph whispering? If you need inspiration, here are some ready-made adventures. Screen time and sleep study. Compare how much students sleep with how much time they spend on screens. Do more hours on a device mean fewer hours of rest? Create dot plots, histograms, and box plots to find out. Song length versus popularity. Use Spotify or Billboard data to explore how song length or tempo connects to popularity. Are pop songs shorter? Are hip-hop songs more variable? The charts will tell you. Who's taller? Comparing two groups, analyze height differences between groups. NBA versus MLB players, siblings versus parents, or any two categories you choose. Compare centers and spreads to see what stands out. Myths we can test. Investigate a claim people repeat without thinking. Do breakfast eaters score higher? Do bigger hands write faster? Collect your own data and put the myth to the test. Sports Analytics Mini Project. Use real sports stats to answer questions about players, teams, or positions. Visualize, compare, and interpret like a true analyst. Once your investigation is complete, take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself, what surprised me about my data? Or, how did outliers affect my results? A good reflection helps you see the whole journey more clearly. This project is your chance to explore the world the way statisticians do by asking thoughtful questions, gathering evidence, uncovering patterns, and telling the story hidden inside the numbers. Pick a topic that sparks something in you, and let the data lead the way. Let's begin your adventure.